TV Mombasa.
Jotelo mopogore mawuok e counties ma Gusii kod Nyamira notimo romo e skund secondary ma Nyamagwa mar golo paro kendo ng'ado rieko ne jopuonjre mag sikunno sikunde 50 mawuok e kachng'ol bura ma Nyaribari Chache e county ma Gusii. Chenro no mabende notelne kod jaod bura ma county ma Gusii Doris Aburi ne geto mar geng'o rowere ahinya to jopuonjre donjore e tiyo kod yedhe mamero ji kaachiel gi gamo yie mohiu kod bero kido makare.
It was a mentorship day. I realized as a Mama County, Gusii County has a high rate of teen pregnancy, which comes along with HIV. We have cases of defilement. So through my knowledge, I managed to get some sponsors who came on board to mentor our girls and boys on the same.
We are doing this because last year our students performed very well from the larger Gusii region, and we are doing this ahead of the education committee that is going around the country trying to investigate whether there was any cheating in our national exams. But we are sure that our students from this region passed on merit because of the partnership between the teachers, parents and the leaders.
We all as a society have a duty to bring up our children in a manner that they will fit in universally in the globe.